Hello students, in this lecture we're going to talk about the sarcoplasmicreticulum and T-tubules. These are two important structures within the muscle cells that surround and integrate with the myofibrils, and these structures are critical for ultimately allowing voluntary control, allowing our nervous system to stimulate skeletal muscle contraction. The sarcoplasmic reticulum, they are membrane. You can view them as kind of membrane enclosed sacs. They're like you can see them as a membrane enclosed bags that exist within the muscle cell. And their key thing is the sarcoplasmic reticulum, they hold and they store calcium. So the sarcoplasmic reticulum, you can think of it as an analogy. They are bags in the muscle cells that are storing and holding calcium. Now the T-tubules, these interact. They interact with both the sarcolemma, the muscle membrane, the membrane of the muscle cell, but the T-tubules interact with the sarcoplasmic reticulum. And the function of the T-tubules, they are to conduct electrical impulses deep into the muscle fiber. And eventually, as the T-tubules conduct those electrical impulses into the muscle fiber, that will stimulate the sarcoplasmic reticulum to release calcium, and that will initiate muscle contraction. So if we take a look at them, here's the sarcolemma, here's the outer membrane of the muscle cell. So we're kind of doing a blow-up here. Here is the muscle fiber. Here is the muscle cell. And now we're going to take a look at particularly and specifically at the myofibrils. So here's a blow-up of the myofibrils. Notice here's the sarcomere, and the sarcomeres repeat end over end over end. You can see it here in the mark of myofibril. Here's a sarcomere. Here's another sarcomere. Here's another sarcomere. There's another one. The sarcomeres are just repeating units. They repeat lengthwise along the myofibril. Now, associated with that myofibril and those sarcomeres is the sarcoplasmic reticulum. And right here, here's the sarcoplasmic reticulum. You can see it all along here. It's this blue structure. And again, it's like you can think of it as bags, as sacs that are containing calcium. And then this gray structure, here is the T-tubules. And it's along this T-tubule that the action potential, the electrical impulse, those are terms I'll introduce in the next lecture. The electrical impulse will be conducted along these T-tubules, and you can see that those T-tubules will conduct that electrical impulse deep within the cell. Thank you.